Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to delete blank rows in Excel. So on my screen I have a dataset that has a bunch of blank rows in between the values. Now if I have a small dataset, I can simply just right click on any of the blank rows and delete them manually. But this will take way too much time on a big dataset. Luckily there is a very easy way to delete blank rows in Excel. First, make sure that you're on the Home tab. Next, click on the Find and Select option. From the drop-down menu, click on Go to Special. And then from the pop-up, select the Blanks option. Click on OK. Excel will now select all the blank cells. Now it is very important that you quickly skim through your dataset and see if a blank cell you do not want to delete has been selected. For example, in my dataset, I do not want to delete this blank cell because the rest of the row is filled out. So if a cell you do not want to delete is selected, simply click on the Control key and then click on the cell to unselect it. Now to delete the blank rows, click on the Delete option. And as you can see, all the blank rows have been successfully deleted. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also, like and share this video.